Good morning, or shall I say afternoon. We just kind of hung out this morning because today is pontoon boat day. That's where we're heading now, to rent the pontoon boat. Bear with us because I got the GoPro with yeah, go ahead. Got the GoPro here with the little floater on the bottom and all waterproof, so there's no microphone or anything. So hopefully it won't be too windy, but we're gonna take you guys with us to Crab Island. So we just walked right over right by the campground here. Let me just show you what the water looks like here. I mean, it's clear, but wait till you get about 15 minutes that way. We're off. I know you probably can't hear me.
They're not.
There's a biker gang coming. See them all? You can see the water starting to look pretty good. I know this looks strange, but we got a lot of wind since we're going down the riverway here. But here's Crab Island. Look at all the boats. That's it, Crab Island. See, she may be the first one in.
Holy.
It's cold.
It's freezing.
It's freezing. You can see we're gonna try to make our way into the bluer waters over there at some point, but so these two crazies are in, and I'm still afraid to get in. It's so cold. Still haven't gotten in, but look, here comes the ice cream man. I'm in. Oh my God, I'm in. It's so cold. The boat's leaving us. All right, I want you guys to feel what I'm feeling, so here we go. How was it? Huh? Was it as cold as I think it is? Windy too. It's hard getting any deeper than this, but Dawn's got the goggles on, trying to look in, but she says there's tons of feet.
Fish. There's not tons of feet because there's nobody in the water, stupid.
She says there's tons of fish by our feet, so I'm gonna show you guys the fish. It is absolutely amazing. I mean, look at the color of this water. Completely clear here, gets greener there, ridiculously dark green there. Look how shallow. This whole area is like that. Yeah, let's do a full circle. Back that way, you probably can't see it, but there's a water tower. That's right where the campground is. Boats as far as the eye can see. Here's some of your tiki boats. Here's Destin. Here's that waterfront area we were at the first day. Here we go, full circle. And look what's all over the floor here.
I gotta go show one more.
Look at the size of this little hermit crab.
Get it. Mom, get it.
Crab.
Mom, get it. I'm not getting it. I'm scared to death. Oh, that's something to cook, man. Oh, Mom.
Pretty little shells.
They were cold.
It's really cold and the current's running strong now, but no matter how cold it was, we were getting in, and it is just really, really cool. It's really windy out here, so I hope you can hear me, but look at the sailboat just on the other side of the bridge. It's beautiful. Look at that thing. Here's the Buccaneer again.
Oh, here's where it gets darker. This is where it gets deeper.
We're heading out of Crab Island.
Yeah. Are your shells okay?
Yeah, it's just like seaweed or something.
Is this person gonna collide with us? No. Please put his thumb
Ed,
up.
you see him on the right there? Where'd that guy go? That duck. Look at the deep green it is now. Right over there is where we were. The more we looked at those tiki boats, I think you just rent those and head out. I don't think that they sold drinks or anything. But of course, I did show you the ice cream people. That's the golf right out there.
Yeah. What about a little private beach over there?
Water splashed everywhere. Look how pretty blue it is. Let me see if I can clean you off. Here's Pelican Island. This guy, oh, excuse me.
Hey, Pelican. What did they say about that?
Again, sorry about the wind, but look at these beautiful homes with their beautiful boats out front. Look at these beautiful guys here.
With the wind.
Up close with the Buccaneer.
I don't remember, but it was hot, right? How did he pay? I gotta give it a tiny bit of gas.
Matty Watch. AC Blaster. We'll see you tomorrow. We got a friend here. Look, that's a boat upside down. Wow, he's been there a while. Whoa, look, he's way down there. That's a big boat. You actually just went over top of something hanging off of it.
Fully insured.
How do I stop this?
Look who's manning the ship.
Dad, how do I
Pull
stop?
back up. I don't want to catch up to another boat, though. He wants to stay behind.
I'm turning it off. Wait, how do I? Ellie, look at that restaurant. I saw that. Oh, pretty.
Ahoy, matey!
Sorry about the wind.
They can't hear you.
There's the campground. There we go. Island Water Sports. We had an absolute blast. Thank you for being helpful and nice and getting us out on the water. Crab Island was great. All right, well, there you have it. There's our day, mostly spent on the water. Hope you enjoyed it. It was an absolute blast. Loved Crab Island. Loved just cruising around all over, looking at all the sights. All right, well, we're gonna go ahead and end the video. We'll start another one tomorrow. If you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave some comments, share with your friends. It all helps the channel out a lot, and we will see you again soon. Bye-bye.